Well, that was pretty epic. The first major snowstorm to just hit Toronto, and I got stuck out in it. Came on quicker than I thought, but we definitely initiated the McLaren into the Canadian weather. That's snow and dirt. Remarkably, she's still pretty clean. Take a look at all the water as it's starting to melt, or the snow as it's starting to melt, and see all the beading. That is because of the beautiful Ceramic Pro on my car, which is pretty cool to watch as the snow melts. It just turns into these big blobby beads that are slowly running off my car. And we can see the roof, which we've left actually unprotected, has a much smaller circumference of water beading. Now, Jeff did do a light polish on the roof, so it is still kind of fresh, but we've left the roof untouched, and that's for me to be able to actually see the difference and to show you guys the big difference between having parts of the car that are coated in Ceramic Pro, like these big rear arches over my wheels, where the water is just beating up and rolling off. It's pretty cool. That was quite the experience. That was actually a little on the scary side because I've still got my summer tires on, and I was just creeping home from that little place that I usually do photos and videos, which you've probably seen in a prior video of mine. But it's pretty cool to check out all parts of the car and how it's holding up to the elements. The exposed engine saw a little bit of snow. The buttresses were starting to fill up with quite a bit of snow. The intakes. Let's take a look at the back of the car. Same thing, everything is just kind of beaded up, and man, I really can't wait till those snow tires come, because I will be out driving in these snowstorms because I absolutely love it. I was raised in a small northern city about 4 hours north of Toronto called Sudbury, and we used to get 5 to 10 foot snowbanks before this time of the year every year. That's another water bead. Just rolling off. Just rolling off. Windshield is clear as ever. And again, all the water on the windshield, thanks to the Ceramic Pro rain protection. And it's still really cold, which is why all this snow is still just sitting on the car. It's about -1 or 2 here in the parkade. And outside with the wind while I was filming it felt like -15. I know it says it was probably -12, but that wind chill can come and go, and it really picks up. Gets really fucking cold really quick. Well, there you have it. The first snowstorm with my brand new McLaren. I shouldn't say brand new anymore, seeing that it is 5 months old, but to me it's still brand new, even though it has almost 8,000 kilometers. So much fun. And yeah, I was getting looks from people like, are you absolutely out of your mind? Which, yeah, kinda. I am a driver and I love to drive, hence the 8,000 kilometers on my car in 5 months, which some people might completely not understand, but for those of us who are true exotic car enthusiasts and buy these cars to drive them, not store them, this is the shit that legends are made out of, and I absolutely love it. So stay tuned for more. Hopefully she stands up to more weather that's coming. This is just the start. It's supposed to be one of the worst winters ever in Toronto. Cheers. Let's take a look at the clear bra on the front of my car. And we can see the same thing is happening. We've got that beating effect of the water, which is basically the ceramic pro coating just repelling the water and not allowing it to form into kind of water spot or uneven water blobs. It's pretty cool. So here's an example of another part of my car that's been protected and coated with Ceramic Pro's 9H, 4 layers, part of the gold package. And if we go up and take a look at the A-pillar that runs throughout the car, it's also protected. You can see the water beating. And on the left, we have the roof, which we left uncoated because I wanted to give a fair comparison to show you guys exactly what Ceramic Pro does to your car. It protects it. All this water is beating away on the right. It's because of the hydrophobic effect of Ceramic Pro. And on the left, that's untreated, you can see that it's basically big random water spots. And that's because of the adhesion of the water to the untreated surface of my paint. Which that just goes to show you the level of protection that I'm getting with this awesome Ceramic Pro coating. It's pretty cool. And this is for you science geeks. A little bit of snow down there.